Question 6. In a class of 40 students, 18 passed mathematics, 19 passed accounts, 16 passed economics, 5 passed mathematics and accounts only, 6 passed mathematics only, 9 passed accounts only, 2 accounts and economics only. If each student offered at least one of the subjects, A, part of the question, how many students failed in all subjects? B, find the percentage number that failed in at least one of economics and mathematics. C, calculate the probability that a student picked at random failed accounts. Solution. Let us define the subsets as follows. M represents mathematics, A represents accounts, E represents economics. From the question, the total number of students in the class represents the universal set or the union of the three subsets, and that is 40. Those that pass mathematics, 18. Those that passed account, 19. Economics, 16. Mathematics and account only, 5. Mathematics only, 6. Accounts only, 9. Accounts and economics only, 2. Now the intersection, those that passed the three subjects, they are unknown. Let S denote that. From the question, we know mathematics and accounts only. We know accounts and economics only. So let's denote mathematics and economics only by Y, because no value is given for it. We also know mathematics only, we know accounts only, but we don't know economics only. So let Z denote economics only. So you have the Venn diagram. The rectangle denotes universal set and the circle the subset. So this part alone is only mathematics, 6. Here is only accounts, 9. Here is only economics, Z. Here is only account and economics, 2. Only mathematics and account, 5. Only mathematics and economics, Y. Then intersection of the three subsets is S. To get S, Y, and Z, it is better that we start by getting S, because in the subset of accounts, if you add everything there, you equate it to 19. Now, you cannot use the usual procedure of adding everything and equating it to the universal set because of letter S, Y, and Z. Here, you have to use the subset respectively to get the various missing parts. The account subset can be used to get S. So you add everything in account subset. That is 9 plus 5 plus 2 plus S. You equate it to 19. If you add further, you get this. You transfer 16 to the right hand side. S is equal to 19 minus 16, and that is 3. To get Y, since S is known, you can use the subset for mathematics. If you add everything there, you equate it to 18. S is equal to 3, so Y is equal to 18 minus 14. 14 is the sum of 3 and 11. If you transfer it, it becomes minus 14. When you subtract, you have 4. To get Z, you use the subset for economics. If you add everything in that subset, you equate it to 16. Already S and Y are known. You replace them. When you add further, you get this. You transfer plus 9 to the right hand side. Z is equal to 16 minus 9, and that is 7. Now we have the complete Venn diagram. A part of the question, we have to find the number of students that failed all 3 subjects. From the information, we know those that pass all 3 subjects. For you to get those that failed all 3 subjects, let the number be F. So you subtract it from the universal set and equate it to the addition of all the elements in the universal set. That gives this. If you transfer minus F to the right and 36 to the left, you have this result, and F is equal to 4. B part of the question, find percentage that failed at least one of economics and mathematics. Now the whole question, you can take it as 100%. For you to get those that failed at least one of economics and mathematics, you need to subtract the percentage of those that pass, because it is easier for us to get the percentage of those that passed at least one of economics and mathematics. Once you get that percentage, you subtract it from 100. That gives the percentage of those that failed at least one of economics and mathematics. Number that passed at least one of economics and mathematics can be obtained using this formula. You have only economics plus only mathematics plus the intersection of both, and that is 17. If you express it in percentage, you have 17 over total students in the class, 40 times 100%. That simplifies to 42.5%. Now, percentage that failed at least one of economics and mathematics is 100 minus 42.5, and that is 57.5%. C part of the question, you should find the probability that a student picked at random failed accounting. Now, those that failed accounting plus those that passed accounts is equal to 1 or 100%. So, if you make those that failed the subject, it becomes 1 minus probability of those that pass accounts. So, those that pass accounts, the probability is number that passed accounts over total students, that is 19 over 40. For those that failed, the probability becomes 1 minus those that pass. That simplifies to this, and you have 21 over 40 as the probability of those that failed account.